Hey, what's up guys? It's Pedro here from newcoder.com, and in this tutorial we're going to go over what a doubly linked list is, and afterwards we're going to make some slight modifications to our linked list to convert it to a doubly linked list. Alright, so to get started we have a doubly linked list here, and I'm going to assume that you're familiar with at least a singly linked list, but you can see one major difference between a singly linked list and a doubly linked list, and that's that a doubly linked list has that extra data member. So you could take a look at this node here. You can see that we have 3 data members. One is of course the data that you want to store within each node. The second one is a pointer to the next node within the list. And the third one that is present within a doubly linked list, but is not present within a singly linked list, is a pointer to the previous node. So here you can see that this node does not have a pointer to a previous node, and that's because there are no previous nodes, because this is the first node within our list. If you take a look at the second node here, it has a pointer to the next node within the list, and it has a pointer to the previous node within the list. So that's pretty much the main difference between a singly linked list and a doubly linked list. So let's actually take a look at the code. So right now, all I want to do is set up our doubly linked list. So you can see that we have our code from our singly linked list. We have our node class here, and this is going to be the only edit that we do. So remember, we have 3 data members within a doubly linked list. We have the data, next, but we also have to include a pointer to the previous node. And now within here, this one argument constructor, we're just going to set prev equal to null. So now let's just go through our linked list class. So you can see everything's the same. Our constructor is the same. Our deconstructor for a doubly linked list is the same, so we don't have to change that. Our int get size, just return the size, don't have to change that. And our toString method, we do not have to change. So all the other methods like append, prepend, inserting, stuff like that, we're going to go over in the next tutorials. But for now, all we needed to do was add the prev pointer to our node class.